Well, my first issues with the IROC have arrived. Having issues ever since I went to the track with the, I want to say with the rear end or in the right rear. You get back to the gas and it's like it hits in hard, kind of like that. It's not like the trans is slipping and kicking in. It's like you can just hear the rear end clanking in, kind of. I know some of the newer cars do it, and but this is the first time I've heard it in my car, so I just was concerned about that. And then the low idle's back. When I first bought it, the mass airflow sensor was disconnected and dirty, and that you'd come up to stop signs and it would die on you. It's now doing that again. I took the mass airflow sensor back apart, or off, and cleaned it and put it all back together, and it still runs like that at low RPMs. It sounds like you got a really big cam in it when you don't, because it idles so low. So I'm kind of concerned a little bit about that, but it's not too big of a deal because I kind of got a big little surprise coming up in a little bit. So just wondering what you guys thought, and if you could give me any tips or suggestions to what you think it might be. Alright, I'm going to show you another problem with third gen gauges. I have my lights on right now. You see my oil pressure is at 0 and my tac's stuck. Turn the lights off, oil pressure comes back up, and the tack somewhat goes to where it should be. Turn the lights back on, tack goes up, oil pressure drops. But when you dim it, or twist the knob, then it goes back. But if you go the other way, then it just basically does this again. Just another thing with these third gens, with their gauge package that's all messed up.